How to set up Venmo for first-time users. If you want to set up Venmo for first-time users, what you have to do is, first of all, make sure to download the Venmo app and open it. And this is the interface that we will normally be able to see, where we'll be able to see a couple of options here. So it's going to ask us to first of all enter our phone number. Now, if you already have an account, you can directly go to the login button. But if we don't and you're a first-time user, you first have to sign up for an account. So tap on the sign up button. So after that, you simply have to enter the email, phone number that you want to use for your Venmo account and tap the send code button. It's going to send a verification code to your phone number right there, and after that you can follow a couple of other steps like creating a password, adding two-factor authentication, and verifying your identity. And this way you can easily set up Venmo even as a first-time user. I hope that this video helped you out, and if you have got any further questions, then feel free to leave them down below. As always, thanks for watching till the very end, and see you soon in the next video.